Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So I have another altered Halloween book. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but I hope she has an Instagram that she lets us know about in the comments, or she joins our Facebook group. But her name is Annette Mcwhorter. I hope I'm horrible names. That's my daughter's middle name, believe it or not. So, okay. This is pretty amazing. Okay, first let's start with, she sent a bag of goodies for the person that gets it, as well as me. So, I'm not going to open up this one, because this one goes to the person, right? But I looked in the card because I wanted to know who this was from. And look at this beautiful little amazing detailed card that she made. And she just says Happy Halloween with her name. So stinking cute. And she had this stapled to this bag. And let's open up. Oh, wow. Alright. So, turn that off, please. So, she sent more of these 3x3s because she's so sweet, and how thoughtful and amazing is this, right? And I'm opening it up even though I didn't want to, because I want to show you the amazing work that she did. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then look at this one. I mean, this is perfect. Look at this. It's so perfect with the little envelopes. I mean, this is why I do this, guys. It's so, not for the goodies, but like the work, right? The fact that someone took their supplies, their time, and then made something for me. But it gets better, though. There's this little box. Look at the Dracula, and then it slides off, and it opens, and there's candy inside. Elijah, shh. There's candy inside of this amazing little box. Look how adorable. I mean, I need to know how you made this ASAP, because this is adorable. And then, look. So there's chocolate, and she used Halloween paper to hold it, but to wrap each one of the little chocolates with it, with this little tag. I mean, so creative and so thoughtful. I love that. Alright, I want to keep it all together. And then, as if that wasn't enough, she sent kitchen towels. No tricks, just treats. Look at this one. I mean, I need to step my game up when I send stuff. Like, this is amazing. So thoughtful. Alright, let's see the book. Alright, goodies, go back in the bag. Let's see the book. So here's a book, beautiful fabric. I love the bright colors in this. I love, the funny thing is I did this on, I think the other one, where it's just super easy, closure, it sticks really good, it's not going anywhere. And then, I mean, how pretty. Perfect job on this. Like, I'm kind of OCD about stuff, but you did an amazing job on the inside. And then there is, I see your work. Amazing. Did you paint it? Hold on. So you were smart. You painted it. I think it might be permanent. That's cool. Smart. Alright, so there's this beautiful page. I'm like obsessed with like new ways. So there is a pocket. I'm gonna stick that in there. And then there's a side pocket. It says October 31st. And here is a beautiful tuck spot. Love that. And then spooky. And then Hocus Pocus. Oh, he's so cute. And then there is a pocket here with this cute tag. This is so adorable. I mean, amazing. Elijah, I'm recording a video, baby. Look at these. I love the little witch on her. The hat, I mean, side pocket with amazing journaling cards. And there is, oh, this card. It's a tip-in. I was trying to see how you hid that. These are adorable. And then there is a text spot the witch is in, right? Oh, look at this little bag. So there is goodies all in the little bag. Oh, there's all kinds of goodies in here, guys. And then, hold on. Yeah, this whole pocket is full of stuff. I don't want to take it out because it's so, I mean, it has so many goodies in there. Alright, look at this. I mean, these are too cute. I like that you put that on something to give it, to make it stable. I'm learning, girls. I tell you, I learned so much from y'all. Look at these. These little mummies are the cutest thing I've ever seen. It says a spooky night, and then look at these. They're like stencil journal cards. I mean, does it get cuter than that? And then there's something, she has pockets throughout, like there's a pocket here. Oh my gosh, look what she sent. There's a whole pack of the Tim Holtz Halloween ephemera. I mean, how generous. Look at this. This is so creative. Look, guys. I mean, that is so creative. Let me see what's under the skirt. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Tina's gonna be like, please tell her to join my Halloween tag swap. Please tell her to join my... Tina's doing a Halloween tag, guys, swap. So if y'all haven't joined, you should definitely, Antoinette, you should totally join. Is it Annette or Antoinette? My daughter's is spelled kind of like that because she's named after a friend of mine. But hers has a Y, so it might be Annette. I might have said it wrong. I'm sorry. Look how pretty. This is her middle name. This is gorgeous. I love that. And then there is this page for journaling, and you can put a picture under it. Oh, the Halloween. This is gorgeous. And there's another little treat bag. Where did you get these treat bags? They're adorable. I've seen Cherry had some too. They're so cute. Look at all this ephemera. It's so sweet. That one is adorable. I love that. It's like a little bitty hi, my name is. Alright. This is smart. So she glued the tag on, but still put that's cute. I love that idea. Smile on my feet. That's I bite. That's so cute. And there's another journaling spot. So cute. And there's another one of these. Look at these little envelopes. Wow. So this, and then there's all kinds of stuff in there. We're having a breakdown with Elijah today. Happy Halloween. Side tuck spot with journaling cards. I need to give him... Baby, I'll fix it in a minute, okay? Look at this, guys. So cute. I mean, it's so hidden so well that it looks like it's part of it. Did a great job. Side pocket with journaling cards. And then look, another one of these beautiful tags. Oh my gosh. Tina's like, please join my tag swap. I hear it in her mouth. And I can hear her telling me this. This is gorgeous. And the way he tied this ribbon is like professional. at the top. I always have the hardest time. I've gotten to where I staple it. Gorgeous. Whoever gets this book is super lucky. Gorgeous. See, you were smarter than us. We just got the idea to paint instead of deal with all the washi tape. So adorable. And here's the back. Wow. I think it's Annette. Annette did an amazing job. Whoever gets this is so lucky. And I am just going to put this here and close it. I hope that you guys, I hope she joins our Facebook group. I will have that link below as well. I'll try to add that to all the things if you guys aren't joined. It's basically a place that we created for people that don't do videos that can share and show their crafts. That's what it is. So I hope that you join. She did an amazing job, and subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.